Hey best friends, welcome back. Today you guys, I'm reacting to the Teskey Brothers, Rain. I'm your girl K Siobhan, and I don't know who the I am, but a bit happy. Hey look, this right here was requested by a few of my best friends. I have never seen this before, but you know what I'm saying, y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, and we're gonna talk at the end. And I'm gonna stop at my because this my if it's real good. Y'all ready? Click. That humming sounds really, really good.
If there rain.
God damn it, I said stop. When I tell you, I'ma already say, God, what? If that ain't a fucking soul, oh my God. Rain on me. What kind of knee pads you want? You wanted to blend in with the walls? You know your white ass is going in my basket. I gotta go white boy shopping. Y'all already know. He going in my basket. Yes, sir. Oh, did you hear? We gonna talk shit up. You. Yes, you. You always got something to say. You in the middle. You goodbye. Bye. But we gonna talk. Well.
If there rain, are you crying again?
Ooh. No underwear for you. No. Wrinkle ass shirt.
Hold you, my fam.
Oh, baby.
I know it's hard to be alone.
Oh my God.
A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard.
Here's Chris Hemsworth, Thor looking ass. Boy, oh my goodness. Wait, I told you. Perfection. Hands down. I know. Shut up. Let me talk. I don't care. What do you want my underwear? Same thing I asked Eddie from Pearl Jam. So what do you want them? You don't want me with none on? Go ahead. Email me. I'm available. Oh my. We go. Ooh, hello.
To be alone.
Good.
Now this cloud.
Who hurt you?
Up between us all, and the road ain't so clear, but we can still walk across. 'Cause I know it's hard.
Nasty.
To be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely face, and I know it's hard.
He sound like it's longing. I want to hear these arms of mine. I don't know who sing that, but his he sound like that. It's flowing like that, like soulful. Oh my God, we're gonna talk. I know I'm supposed to just talk about it at the end of the video. I know how I do. I can't help it. You already know what I'm saying. You already know how I'm gonna say when hold on. I ain't gonna stop no more.
It's a lonely place, and I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone.
I'm
But is there rain? Or am I crying again? A soul with no face is a lonely base.
Pretty low.
I know it's hard, and I know it's hard.
I know it's hard
To be alone, to be alone. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 'cause I know it's hard, and I know it's hard. But you ain't gonna be alone.
Girl bow on the ropes here. We done? We done?
At Vista-
We done? We done? Best friends, y'all know what time it is. Come on, that's why we get together. I cannot fucking wait. Come on, that's why we get together and cross our legs so she can be what? Professional. And we talk about this video, so I want to have you guys what? Confused. Now, if you're not quick in your loop when you say professional, confused, I'm going to do that go, baby. There you go, my best friend is cute. I ain't y'all trying to do it for real, but anyway. Y'all, when I tell you, till I was here, hands down, powerful voice, amazing. I don't know. I don't even know him. I don't know him, whatever. I don't know why they're not bigger than what the collabs with different people of every genre of music. They should be there. Powerful. His was so raspy, hoarse, and he's like, oh my God. Boy, you was closing your eyes thinking about me the whole time. And I understand. Because I already told you. I'm now trying to visualize what type of knee pads. I think I got them. And I think I need some tap dancing shoes too. Because that marble floor, I want to tap. Then drop down with the knee pads. Anyway, y'all make sure. Wonderful. Hands down. Seriously. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'll be Girl Keisha Wood and I'm out. Mwah.